to be the Chief Executive Officer of our beloved city of Baguio. Not only did you see how good looking they are, you have also heard them speak of their views on very significant issues and plans of action to make our beloved city a kind of heaven on earth. I am sure you have a good gauge of their trustworthiness and have made mental notes of their positions and promises on pressing issues confronting the city. Good luck to all the voters of Baguio City. May they intelligently choose their political leaders. So words of appreciation are due to the organizers of this very laudable program, the St. Louis University, led by the very conceptualizer of this event, Reverend Father President Jesse M. Chenova, CICM. The St. Louis University College of Law, with its competent dean and concurrent Department of Criminal Law, Attorney Cesar Chiracion, and the other hardworking department heads, Attorney Jas Morales for Political Law, Attorney Julio Reyes for Civil Law, Attorney Jason Marquis for Commercial Law, the SNU law students, other law students, and all others who have made this event a truly worthwhile contribution of SNU to the people of Baguio. Thank you. And
so we give our president a good round of applause.